Everybody loves to spend their summer days outside with family and friends. But, it can be annoying when mosquitoes, insects, and pesky bugs make their way in it. If you are not into using chemicals to repel bugs, watch on for some great plants, for a chemical-free way to keep insects at bay this season. Presenting 6 amazing herbs and plants that deters mosquitoes, flies, insects, and more uninvited guests in the summer garden. Subscribe and stay with us. 6 plants that repel mosquitoes and insects naturally. 1. Basil. Basil is one of the few herbs in which you don't have to crush the leaves to reap its benefits. Lemon basil and cinnamon basil are the best varieties to prevent unwanted pests. Place some potted basil plants in containers by your house doors, and in outdoor areas, where you like to relax or entertain. 2. Citronella. Citronella is natural oil found in lemongrass. One of the oldest tricks in the book when it comes to insect-repelling plants. Citronella is famous for making bugs hate it. It is used in all sorts of candles, torches, and insect repellents. But using the real deal, aka the live plant, is much more effective. 3. Bay leaves. Bay leaf is just another sacred for ancient Greeks and Romans plant. It carries a ton of healing properties, which are as strong as its smell. The bitter plant is often used for its fragrance in cooking, but bugs hate the scent. Bay leaves can repel flies, moths, mice, earwigs, and roaches. 4. Catnip. The perennial herb, related to mint, and easy to grow. While it repels mosquitoes in close proximity, some people apply crushed leaves for more protection. But catnip might bring all the cats to the yard. 5. Lavender. In addition to smelling lovely, aiding in relaxation, and promoting restful sleep, lavender dissuades mosquitoes and gnats from invading your outdoor dinner party, when planted in the garden or in pots placed by windows, doors, and entertainment areas. 6. Chrysanthemums. The ingredient in chrysanthemums, that makes them so effective as an insect-repelling companion plant is pyrethrum. Because pyrethrums can kill flying and jumping insects, they are used in America's most commonly available home and garden insecticide, and are frequently used in indoor sprays, pet shampoos, and aerosol bombs. So, have you tried any of these simple and amazing tricks? Let us know in the comments below what you benefited from. Thanks for watching.